Hello, dear viewers. Today, I am explaining to you 6 effective dark psychology secrets that focus on the dark side of psychology, which is a field that studies general psychology, emotions, and behavior, and is used to persuade, deceive, and control others. Maybe you are not aware of it, but you may not be aware of many dark psychology secrets that you encounter every day. Psychology tactics. These tactics are designed to exploit your weaknesses and force you to do things you wouldn't normally do. In this video, we'll dive into the science of dark psychology and explore how it affects our behavior and lives. We'll focus on the most common manipulation tactics people use to influence and control each other, so we can help you more easily recognize whether these tactics apply to you. Let's get started. 1. Reverse psychology can be a powerful tool to force people to do things they don't want to do. Reverse psychology is not always easy to spot. This occurs when someone says something that seems contrary to their true intentions. It may seem like this person is saying they don't want you to do what they want. This technique is used in many situations, but often in parenting, parents use reverse psychology as part of their disciplinary procedures. It is also used by teachers and administrators who want to encourage their students or employees to perform better. 2. Love bombing. Infatuation is the tactic of showing love and attention to another person in order to force them to do what they want. If someone is using the infatuation tactic, they are trying to make the other person emotionally dependent on them by using this tactic. As a result, the victim feels less inclined to question the manipulator's intentions or behavior later. This tactic is often used in romantic relationships and friendships, but it can happen in any situation when one person wants to give another the feeling they need to be happy or feel good about themselves. It can be easy to get caught up in this kind of attention because we all want to be noticed. However, it can be harmful in the long run. 3. Persuasion and authority. Persuasion involves using persuasive arguments or appeals to change someone's opinion or behavior. Politicians often use persuasive arguments to convince people to vote for them. Big brands often use endorsements from famous people to persuade people to buy their products. By collaborating with a famous person, a company can create a sense of trust and credibility in its products. The celebrity's public image also creates a sense of desirability and special status, further influencing people to purchase the product. Authority, on the other hand, involves using power or influence to force someone to do something. For example, a manager may use his authority to force an employee to do something he or she does not want. He or she may even threaten to fire the employee if he or she does not comply. The exercise of authority relates to the power of a person to impose his or her wishes on others. 4. Emotional manipulation. Emotional manipulation involves deception and exploitation of emotions to force someone to do something they would not normally do. The strategy is to make the person feel guilty, sad, ashamed, or afraid, thus forcing them to comply. For example, the manipulator may intimidate his victims by exaggerating, distorting, or fabricating facts to influence others, or force a behavior or belief in their favor. He may even use emotional blackmail. Another type of emotional manipulation is making a person feel compelled to do something. It's not too difficult to fall into this type of manipulation because it's pretty subtle, but it's easier to avoid falling into this type of trap when you know what to look out for. 5. Option restriction. Option restriction is the tactic of limiting others' options in order to force someone to do what they want. The idea behind this tactic is that if someone has fewer options, it will be easier to persuade them to choose one. For example, a salesperson may offer 2 options that fit your budget and needs. This way, it will be easier for them to help you decide. In other situations, this manipulation tactic may be more dangerous, such as restricting a person's ability to make decisions by limiting information or resources, or forcing a person to choose between 2 equally unattractive options. 6. Gaslighting is a manipulation tactic that causes someone to question your sanity or reality. It is often used to get someone to question your thoughts, feelings, or memories, and is designed to make you more susceptible to the manipulator's wishes. It may be used between a couple, such as attempts by one partner to invalidate the thoughts and feelings of the other. Additionally, within an organization, a boss's actions can be used to call into question whether they are treating their employees fairly. Gaslighting can occur both overtly and more subtly. This depends on the manipulator's style and the victim's ability to recognize what is happening. Dark psychology is a powerful tool that can control you when you're not careful. Learning which tactics to look out for can help you better understand your own feelings and behaviors, and make decisions that are right for you. It's important to stand up to these techniques, but it's also important to always avoid letting someone try to manipulate you. I hope this video has helped you gain a better understanding of these frequently used cheating tactics so you can be vigilant in these actions and avoid the negative repercussions. What are you thinking? Have you ever recovered from one of the dark psychology tactics? Give your thoughts and comments below. If you find this video useful, click the like button and include it so you can help add more videos. Click the subscribe button for more such videos, and we published our current videos by clicking the news bell. Don't forget to check out our other videos. Thanks for watching.